Hello, welcome to my second unit in Internet Technologies. In second unit, we are having two chapters. One is JavaScript and the second one is about the HTML. So today, let me explain about the JavaScript. So one of the scripting language is VBScript, and the second thing is it is about the JavaScript, VBScript and the JavaScript. So, as we are not having a syllabus regarding the VB script, we are going to learn about the JavaScript. So, here, let me explain you about the different types of data types and literals which supports in JavaScript. So, mainly there are four different primitive data types. So, if you see here, the four primitive data types are nothing but number, boolean, string, and null. So number is nothing but it may be an integer here, maybe a float pointing here. It may not be a nan. Ante it's nothing but not a number. So uh, these are the four different types of data types. And coming to the literals are nothing but the fixed values which we give a particular value to a program. So these are called as literals. So let us see what is a number, what is a boolean, how a string is declared, how a null is declared. So this is about the number. So one of the primitive data types is number. So this data type is consisting of integers, floating points, and nan, not a number. And this integer literals can be represented in either in a form of decimals, hexadecimals, and decimal forms. And float point literals are also be used here. It may be a recent decimal point or very large or very small, which can be represented in an exponential notation. And see here, if these are the examples how we define how we define different types of number data types. So it may be an float pointing value, or it might be a normal decimal value, or it might be a exponential value, decimal value, whatever it is. So it consists of all integers, floating points, decimals, etc. So coming to the second different uh, uh, primitive data type is about the boolean. So this is one of the data type. uh, it is consisting of two values. It is true or false. So if it is true, it says 1. If it is false, it says 0. So these are the logical operators which we express in Boolean expression. So it consists of two values finally, true or false. So automatically when we execute, automatically the Java script converts that particular Boolean values 2 into 1, true into 1, and false to 0. Coming to the third primitive data type is about the string. So string is a group of collection of characters. So which can be represented within the single quote or a double quote. So it starts from 0. The string starts from 0. So it's a, see if you see the example, Maristella. If I start with a double quote, should end with a double quote. Or apple. If I start with a single quote, a particular character group of characters should be end with a single quote. So finally, a string is a group of or collection of characters which is enclosed with a single quote or a double quote. Coming to the next primitive data type is null. It is nothing but a single value. It consists of a single value or null or empty or may not existing. So it is used to set a variable to an initial value from the different value in other invalid uses. So in JavaScripting, how we are going to declare? So what is the difference? In previous chapter we have seen CSS. So what is the main tag there we have used is script tag. Script type is equals to text slash CSS. Uh, sorry, style type is equals to text slash CSS. Here, as if we are mentioning about the JavaScript programming. So we have to mention a tag called script tag in head section. Moreover we define in head section, but it's not mandatory that we should or we must declare that particular script tag in head section. We can declare in body section also as per our requirement, but most of the examples which the textbook refers, or which the programs which we have done, which we are going to do, are also declared in head section. So here, if I need to use a concept called javascripting in my programming, I need to use a script tag. So every script tag, opening tag will be having the closing tag. So let us see the syntax of the script tag. So this is one of the syntaxes. Script language is equals to JavaScript, and we declare the variables. We declare the variables with a declaration type. So in that way, we used to declare n number of variables. Or the another type of declaration is script type is equals to text slash JavaScript, and in order we declare a variables. So n number of variables can be declared. So every opening tag of script will be having the closing tag of script. So let us see the different types of operators and expressions we use to declare in JavaScript. So operand, we know about uh, one or more values into a single resistant value can be used to represent an operator. So to represent an operator, we need an operand. So the combination of operand and operators is called as an expression. So this is about the operands, operators, and expression. So let us see the different types of operators which we use in this uh, JavaScript programming. As we all know, we are familiar from the basic programming languages: arithmetic operators, logical operators, comparison operators, string operators, assignment operators, conditional expression ternary operator, special operators. So the same operators also can be used in this JavaScript programming to develop according to our requirement, or to develop according to our, to get our own output. So these are the different types of operators we used to use. So coming to the first type of operator is arithmetic operator. So if you want to solve a common math problems or simple calculations, we use the different types of arithmetic operators, and these arithmetic operators will support in the JavaScript. So plus, minus, into, divided by, percentage, increment, decrement. So these are all the arithmetic operators that we use in this JavaScript programming. So here we use unary operator as well as the binary operator. If we are using an expression with the help of single operand, it is called as a unary operator. If particular operator is binary, then we can say that a particular expression is evaluated with two operands. So that is unary and binary operators. And coming to the second, logical operators. We all know if we need any Boolean operator, we used to go for and or not. So these are the three different types of logical operators. And coming to the third operators are comparison operators. If we need to compare between two values, then the JavaScript supports the comparison operators. So double is equals to equality, triple is equals to strictly equal, not equal, strictly not equal, less than or equals to greater than or equals to. These are called the different types of comparison operators which JavaScript supports. And we all know the string operators. Moreover, here string concatenation operators highlights. So for that we use an operator called plus symbol. So if you see the example, we can get a clear idea regarding this. Two strings can be concatenated with the help of a symbol called plus. So that is called as a concatenation symbol. So coming to the next operator, that is assignment operator. So is equals, assigning a value to update a particular variable. That thing is called as an assignment operator. So set a variable to on the left of the is equals to operator, the value of the expression to its right. So these are the 5 different types of operators that we use to assign a particular value to the variable. So assignment operators will support for the JavaScript programming. So the conditional expression ternary operator, if you see the syntax, will be getting an idea. If condition is true, automatically the first value will be displayed, and if the given condition is false, that value 2 will be displayed. So if from the first example, if day is equals to Saturday, if it is true, the condition is true, weekend word, I mean a string weekend will be displayed. If it is not Saturday, automatically not a weekend will be displayed. Similarly, x is equals to 10. If x is equals to 10, yes, if x is equals to 10, then 10 is going to be displayed. If x is not equals to 10, automatically the value to 5 will be displayed. And the seventh one is special operators. So the special operators uh, uh, are of 3 different types: delete operator, new operator, void operator. The delete operator, the syntax is as follows: it is used to delete a property of an object or an element in a particular array index. So if I need to delete a particular 6th element in an index, so we all know that the array or a string starts from the count 0. So if I need to delete a particular element, then I have to use a syntax like this: delete array name of index. So automatically the 6th element of a particular string will be deleted. And new, we all know that this is an operator used to create an instance of an object. And this is the example: my array is equals to new. New is a word used to create an instance which is similar to Java. The void operator, this void is, the meaning of void is null or empty. It doesn't return a value or no value. So finally the JavaScript is having altogether of 7 different types of operators: arithmetic, logical, comparison, string, assignment, conditional expression, and ternary operator, and special operators. So finally all these operators will support the concept called JavaScripting. Thanks for watching. Thank you.